Hello scholars, welcome to this exciting lesson. In this lesson, we'll be answering some past questions on emphatic stress. First, let us have a quick recap. Stressing a particular word more than other words in a sentence is called emphatic stress. Let us consider the following sentence with the stress laid on words in the sentence. Julie likes the apple pie. Julie, not anybody else, likes the apple pie. Julie likes the apple pie. Julie does not hate or dislike the apple pie. She likes it. Julie likes the apple pie. Julie likes a particular apple pie. She does not like all apple pies, but this one. Julie likes the apple pie. Julie does not like mango pie, pumpkin pie, or pineapple pie. She likes apple pie. Julie likes the apple pie. Julie does not like the apple juice or apple fruit. She likes the apple pie. Instruction. In each of the questions, the word in capital letters has emphatic stress. Choose the option to which the given sentence relates. Question 1. The traditional chief narrated the story to the children. The correct option is D. Did the traditional chief hide the story from the children? The emphasis is seen in the word narrated. Option D is a question used to emphasize what the traditional chief did. Question 2. The accountant paid the workers July's salary in September. So, the option that relates to this sentence is option B. Did the cashier pay the worker's salary in September? The emphasis in the original sentence is on the role or position of the person responsible for paying the salary, which is the accountant. Option B directly addresses this emphasis by asking whether the cashier paid the worker's salary in September. Question 3. The cat devoured the rat. The answer is C. Did the cat pet the rat? This question helps emphasize the word stressed in the sentence. Question 4. Adamu is leaving a car behind. In the sentence, the emphatic stress is on car. So, the option that relates to this sentence is option A. What is Adamu leaving behind? The emphasis in the original sentence is on what Adamu is leaving behind, which is the car. Option A directly addresses this emphasis by asking what Adamu is leaving behind. Question 5. Lambusa took off the wig. In the sentence, the emphatic stress is on took off. So, the option that relates to this sentence is B. What did Lambusa do? The emphasis in the original sentence is on the action that Lambusa performed, which is taking off the wig. Option B directly addresses this emphasis by asking what Lambusa did. Question 6. My mother bought a bicycle yesterday. In the sentence, the emphatic stress is on bicycle. So, the option that relates to this sentence is A. What did your mother buy yesterday? The emphasis in the original sentence is on what your mother bought yesterday, which is the bicycle. Option A directly addresses this emphasis by asking what your mother bought. Question 7. Amina went to Abuja by air. In the sentence, Amina went to Abuja by air, the emphatic stress is on Amina. So, the option that relates to this sentence is option B. Who went to Abuja by air? The emphasis in the original sentence is on identifying who went to Abuja using air travel. Option B directly addresses this emphasis by asking who went to Abuja by air. Question 8. Musa is staying in Enugu. The answer is option A. Is Musa passing through Enugu? When responding to this question, emphasis will be laid on staying. That's all for this lesson, scholars. I'll see you in lesson 2 of this chapter. Bye for now.